EXO. There it goes. Heading towards Ville Saint Pierre. Yeah, this is this little walking path between St. Jacques Street and Pullman Street. And it parallels the train tracks here. Sleeman train.
That's what I'm saying, you don't even hear it.
Yeah.
Don't hear it, Dad.
It's also going very slow.
Maybe there's an eastbound freight ahead.
Could be.
Whatever you do, I always just think don't drop your fucking. Seriously? It's
Bad
like,
place to drop it.
What, you go down there somehow, or you close?
Or is that 2 trucks? No, it's 2 trucks. It's a Via Rail. And it's a long one. From Toronto with an F40PH on the end.
Okay, that was sweet. See what I'm saying? You don't fucking hear them practically. Oh, I swore in your video. Oh, too funny. Oh, this one's slowing down, eh?
Yeah.
Really slow.
So that same Siemens train stopped here. So that means there might be a freight train coming soon. It looks like it's gonna take off now. Oh, that was weird. So I was heading into Montreal. Where's it going? Back out? Maybe that's the same train we saw earlier. August the 6th, 2025. It's probably about 6 o'clock p.m. right now. Waiting for something cool. There's like 2 other rail fans here for some reason. So let's see what comes. So here's the main event. This is a freight train coming through here at the Montreal-Toronto Road. St. Anne de Bellevue Bridge. Here it comes now. Okay, now I can hear the locomotives. It's coming pretty slow. It seems to be mostly tank cars, so I'm editing it for time. Oh, here's some box cars, something interesting then. Oh, and that's the end of the train right there. So it really wasn't that long. So I really don't know what the rail fans are here for, but I'm pretty sure it's not this train anyway. Anyway, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to GO Transit Montreal. Have a good day.